Hello, this is Renee Alexandra with Brandman University. I'm presenting on a community health promotion for Ventura County, which is located inside of California. You're looking at right now a picture of the county of Ventura. This is the Ventura Pier. This is also a picture. You can see the pier in the far right corner over here. This is the county of Ventura here. The Ventura County Healthcare Agency is a agency that provides 703 providers in total throughout Ventura County. 158 of those providers are primary care providers, and they have 120 affiliated clinics throughout Ventura County. They also have two hospital systems. One's located in Ventura, and the other one is located inside of Santa Paula, both of which are in the county of Ventura. In specific, Las Posas County Medical Group is an affiliated clinic, which is part of the Ventura County Healthcare Agency. It's one of those 120 affiliated clinics that are located throughout Ventura County. They offer primary care, internal medicine, pulmonology, cardiology, obstetrics, neurology. It's part of the safety net of Camarillo. Camarillo is another city within Ventura County, and it provides services for the underinsured and uninsured, and those that also have insurance, providing services for patients that have Gold Coast for Insurance, which is the insurance that has Medi-Cal, which is state-funded insurance, and also provides services to patients that have Medicare. There is a public health at the county level. It's Ventura County Public Health, and they provide services for children and teens, such as Adolescent Family Life Program, the CHDP program, which stands for Child Health and Disability Prevention. It provides services for parents and expectant mothers. In particular, one of the programs that they offer for expectant mothers is called the CPSP Perinatal Services. It's an amazing program that we offer inside of the clinic system, and it provides education and training to healthcare workers so that they're able to provide the education and support that mothers need, or soon-to-be mothers need, to bring their newborn babies and during their pregnancy the best opportunities that they can have available to them. Public health also provides general and adult services, community resources, and general information to the public. Some specific other things that the Ventura County Public Health Department provides is child abuse and prevention, child immunization program, child injury prevention, child health promotion, passenger safety for children, lead poisoning prevention, developmental screenings, RX for kids. Also for parents and expecting mothers, there's a perinatal substance abuse program. Many people are familiar with WIC, which is Women, Infant, and Children's, which provides support for food and education and training for mothers and parents to be able to provide the services that they need to be able to offer healthy food choices for infants and children. They also provide birth and death registration and chronic disease prevention. The HIV and AIDS Center, they have that as well. They also have a free condom where you're able to grab and go. They offer in-home support services and public health nurses to be able to go out to the homes. They have a laboratory, public health laboratory, and they have oral health program, tobacco programs, and travel vaccinations. They have several services throughout the county of Ventura to be able to assist them. I personally couldn't think of one that they did not have. I went on and on even there's a one-stop for homeless care, provided information in regards to farmers markets and emergency preparedness, which I'll be going over in another slide, emergency medical services, animal services. There's just the list goes on in regards to the amazing outreach that public health provides through the services that they offer in Ventura County. The vaccination rates in California are quite wonderful. The California Department of Public Health for 2018 and 2019 provided a 94.8% overall rate for California for kindergartners for the vaccination rate. There was a median national average in 2017 and 2018 of a 94.3 for measles, mumps, and rubella, 95.1% rate for DTaP, and a 93.8% rate for varicella for receiving those 2 doses that children need. When somebody doesn't have insurance and they need immunizations, the County of Ventura offers a program called VFC. It's also called, it stands for Vaccines for Children. It is it's a service that you're able to receive vaccines for free if you have insurance that does not provide full reimbursement for your immunizations for your child under age 18, or you have no insurance, or you are of Indian descent, Native American descent, or Alaska Native, and you just indicate that you qualify and you're able to go to public health department or any of the many 120 plus Ventura County healthcare agencies clinics throughout Ventura County to receive vaccines for free. Similarly, they also have vaccines for adults, so it's for 18 years old and over, and they provide all of the similar vaccines that adults are required to receive. And if you don't have insurance or your insurance fails to provide full coverage, then you qualify for vaccines for adults. There shouldn't be a reason why you cannot be vaccinated in the County of Ventura. Influenza is also available through the Public Health Department and Ventura County Healthcare Agency. It's actually being offered this season for free through the Public Health Department. The Ventura County Healthcare Agency provides flu to all of the primary care clinics throughout Ventura County and posts public health flu dates for the community to receive. It's also a billable charge for your insurance if you have medical insurance, and it should be reimbursed. Disaster planning is in Ventura County is something that is highly focused on. ReadyVenturaCounty.org offers a VC alert system, which the community can register through via text message, and we can immediately be notified if there's an emergency of any sort throughout our county, so that we're able to receive notification within seconds. There's also the emergency alert system and National Weather Service that gives us information. California prepares for earthquakes, wildfires, flash flooding, tsunami, and terrorism. This is a picture of a man on his roof during the Thomas fires, which was a huge loss in Ventura County. I'm going to show you some pictures next in regards to health education and promotion. This is the messages that are being sent to our community through billboards in Ventura County. This one coming up is in regards to opioid addiction. It's letting the community know that naloxone is available, and for us to be able to reach out to our providers if that's something you're interested in. So I thought that was a great one. The next one is in regards to development that's going on. It's a behavioral health development. One of the behavioral health buildings recently burned down during that Thomas fire, and they're going to be rebuilding this beautiful Ventura County behavioral health facility, which is also part of the Ventura County Healthcare Agency. Alcohol and drug prevention. This is another billboard that is in Ventura County. Got drugs, do you know who's taking them? So we want to be cautious in regards to our minors getting access to prescription medications that are in our cabinets. So some of the information that's out there in Ventura County is not always beneficial. The next slide is in regards to Players Casino, which is gambling. There is a little small casino in Ventura County, and this is the one. And the next one is in regards to recreational marijuana. Ojai Greens is one of the dispensaries that is located in Ojai, which is part of Ventura County as well. And that concludes my presentation. These are the references that I use for this presentation. I hope you've learned something about Ventura County. Thank you.